In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use multiple inboxes in Gmail. By the end of this guide, you'll have a neatly organized inbox that allows you to manage your emails more efficiently. So let's dive right in. First, you need to log into your Gmail account. Once you're logged in, you'll be greeted with your main inbox. Now let's head over to the settings. In the upper right corner, you should notice a small gear icon. Go ahead and click on that to reveal a drop-down menu. Here, choose See All Settings to access more detailed options. This is where we can start customizing your Gmail interfaces to better meet your organizational needs. Now that you're in the Settings menu, you'll see several tabs arrayed along the top of the window. You need to select the Inbox tab to proceed with setting up your multiple inboxes. Within the Inbox tab, scroll down until you come across a section labeled Inbox Type. Click on the drop-down menu next to it and select Multiple Inboxes. This is the feature that will allow you to view different sections of your Gmail inbox in one streamlined window. After you've selected the Multiple Inboxes option, scroll further down until you hit a section called Multiple Inboxes section. This is where the magic happens. You can customize up to 5 additional inboxes. To do this, input search queries. These are basically the rules that will determine what emails show up in each additional inbox. For instance, you might use the search query is unread to only display emails you haven't opened yet, or use fromimportantperson@example.com to show emails from a particular individual. Next, you'll find an area to name each section of your inbox. Naming these sections will help you keep everything organized, so take a moment to come up with titles that make sense to you. Whether it's work emails, family correspondence, or any category you need, a well-thought-out name will enhance your navigational ease. Before we wrap things up, take a moment to decide how you want your inboxes arranged on the screen. You can choose between positioning them above or below the unread emails in the right side panel, or however you prefer. This flexibility ensures you can optimize your screen layout for maximum efficiency and comfort. Once you're satisfied with your setup, scroll to the bottom of the settings page and hit Save Changes. Your Gmail should now refresh to reveal your brand new, neatly organized multiple inboxes. And there you have it. You've successfully set up multiple inboxes in Gmail. This setup can greatly simplify the way you manage your emails by letting you categorize and prioritize messages at a glance. Explore which configurations work best for you and enjoy the newfound efficiency in your email routine. Thanks for watching, and see you in our next guide.